Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find and add people on Snapchat who are near your location. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Then tap on the location or Snap Map icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once the map opens, you'll be able to see your location and the locations of friends who have chosen to share them with you. Now, zoom in and explore the map. You may see public stories and activity from different areas around you. When you find a story that interests you, tap on it to view it. After opening the story, tap the plus button to send them a friend request on Snapchat. Now, let's look at another method. Go back to the main Snapchat screen and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type the name of a nearby city, town, or location. For example, you can type Wally or any place near you. Snapchat may show public stories and content related to that location. Open any story that you want to view, then tap on the profile icon of the user who posted the story. If the plus button is available, using these methods, you can discover public stories from nearby locations and connect with people on Snapchat. And that's it. This is how you can find and add people on Snapchat near you. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.